Fly Roy back with a video. We get out here and look. It's early. See how much snow we got. See if it's time to play. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all see it? Definitely coming down. Oh yeah, we definitely got it. We definitely got it, guys. So I'm gonna let y'all do this, hear this cold start. As soon as I make me a path to get to the truck, because I don't have boots on right now. Let y'all hear this cold start. I'll let y'all hear this cold start. Fly Roy back with a video. I'm finna take y'all. I'm on this street. The crazy part is when I hit the street, I couldn't see anything. And I was like, is this an actual road, or you know what I'm saying? And I'm like, wow. So I'm finna turn this camera around and let y'all see what I drove into. And you know, this is like the back road basically to my house, but it doesn't look like the road no more because I didn't come this way. I left out leaving another way. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna spin this camera around and make sure y'all stay tuned to your boy. Like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned. Y'all see what's behind me. Woo-wee! Wonderland. Stay tuned. Y'all see? So I'm getting ready to walk around. Y'all see this right here, man. Y'all see this. This is exactly what we've been asking for. And I'm finna show y'all something. So I was out earlier plowing. My little pretty light, y'all. One of them is down. One man down, one up. But I did find a way while I was out plowing what I'm gonna do to reinforce that, to make sure that doesn't happen no more. But check this out, guys. Y'all check this out. Y'all check this out. That gotta be at least, you know what I'm saying, over here, at least about 10 inches right here. Y'all see this. Y'all stay tuned. Only the strong survive out here. You know what I'm saying? And since we out here, I guess I'm one of the survivals. You know what I'm saying? But y'all check it out. Y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to your boy. And if you need me, tap into me. Hit the DM. Peace.